Hey guys, welcome back. If you need help figuring out the surface area of this figure, make sure you're listening to this video. Remember, to find the surface area of any polyhedron, you have to find the surface area of each of the faces. So for this one, we're going to start with the base. We're going to multiply 6 times 6. We get 36 for the area of this base. Then we know that each of those side triangles that come up to the point at the top, the vertice, are going to be exactly the same size because the bottom or the base is a square. So for each of those 4 triangles coming up from the base, meeting at the top, we're going to multiply 6 times 5 and divide that by 2, because remember, to find the area of a triangle, you multiply base times height and divide it by 2. So to find the area of those triangles, we're going to multiply 6 times 5, which is 30, and then we're going to divide that by 2, which is 15. Now, this one doesn't tell us any unit measurement, so we're just going to put 15 units squared. Then the last step that you have to do to figure out the surface area is add all of the areas of all the faces together. So you're going to add 36, which is the area of the base, plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, because there are 4 sides of this polyhedron.